This evening I'm going to be playing y'all a brand new single of mine called Airplane Mode, written by Luke Combs, Rob Snyder, and Brian Carper. Big thanks to those guys for allowing me to cut the song and put it out. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Here we go. That ticking tock alarm clock, I'm awake. Hell, it ain't even gone off yet. 1,000 thoughts pacing, to-do list already racing through my head. So I think today I'm gonna say the hell with it. Fly away on the day, try to forget it. Let nobody but me get a hold of me for a while. If you call, 'cause I won't be around, taking all with my feet on the ground, kicking it 30,000 feet up, drinking margaritas, getting high with my head in the clouds, sitting poolside, laying low, going airplane mode. Unplugging my mind, getting baked, telling time with the sunshine. Wi-Fi ain't gonna make your signal phase past the pavement, that's alright. 'Cause I think today I'm gonna say the hell with it. Fly away for the day, try to forget. One flip of that switch, be off this grip for a while. If you call, 'cause I won't be around, taking all with my feet on the ground, kicking it 30,000 feet up, drinking margaritas, getting high with my head in the clouds, sitting poolside, laying low, going airplane mode. When the longer I shut it down, ain't no reason I need to be found. So if you call, 'cause I won't be around, taking all with my feet on the ground, kicking it 30,000 feet up, drinking margaritas, getting high with my head in the clouds, sitting poolside, laying low, going airplane mode. I'll be sitting poolside, laying low, going airplane mode. I'm going airplane mode. I'm going airplane mode.